Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are replacing a sunroof on a 2015 Toyota Prius. As you can see, this is broken out, and I am going to tear the rest of this out, clean it up, do some vacuuming, and then I will be back with the how to and where to find the screws, pull them out, and put the new piece of glass in. So just wanted to show you the broken glass, and we will be back with the how-to here shortly. See you soon. All right, and we're back with taking out the old sunroof. You can see we got it all cleaned out, and the first thing we need to do, aside from slide this back, is take these shields off right here. These come off super easy. You just give them a tug, and you can see that this rib right here tucks into this slot right there, and that is pretty much it. And same thing over here. I'm just going to grab this, pull it away like so, and slide that away. Let's shake out any random glass we might have. And then you can see we've got 3 screws, one here, one here, one here. A little extension on our drill using a T25 Torx. We'll back these guys out like so. And we're going to drop those in the cup holder so they don't disappear. Remove these 3 here. On the opposite side. And drop those in there. And then we just simply lift this out and throw it away. And then we'll set that right here for a minute. And before we put our new one in, you want to go through here and pull any glass that you might find out of the tracks. You can see we got some down here and some pine needles, but you want to make sure you get any glass that you find out of the tracks so it does not jam. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll drop the new one back in. It is just the opposite process. I'm going to take the new glass, set it in here, and then pull it down from the inside. You can put a cup on the inside and pull it down, and then put your screws back in place. Stand outside, make sure everything is as it should be, and then tighten your screws down. All right, back once again with our Prius sunroof. Was going to skip the installation, but there's a couple of things, so we're going to go ahead and go with it. So we got our WRD handling cup here. We're going to lift this up and set it right up here in our empty spot, like so. And then to kind of place this about where we're going to wind up. Let that move a little bit. And then we are going to stick our cup on the inside here, because as you can see, this is spring loaded and it wants to pull this up. So we're going to want to pull it down to get our seal, or get our screws in place here. So let's go back around to this side and have a seat. We're going to take our extension and our T25 out of our drill and grab one of our screws here. We got our magnetic bit in there, and you can see we're going to pull this down like so and put this front screw in, because that is what is going to hold this down in place. And we're just going to finger tighten that, and then same thing over here, and just see where we're at. And looks like we got to slide this one back a little bit here, so move that back just a little so we can get our screw in there. And there we go. Find the right spot here. And give our cup a little bit of a pull down so we can get a good fit. There we go. And give that one a little finger tightening as well. And then we're going to drop the rest of these guys in here. Like so. We got 2 more over on this side. And we are not tightening these down very much at all because we're going to jump out real quick. Make sure we are where we want to be. There's not a lot of wiggle room, but still check your reveals because these do shift back and forth a little bit. So you want to make sure we are in a good spot. Check our reveal across here. Everything looks nice and tight. So now we put our drill back in there, take our cup off, and we're going to use our clutch on this guy. And tighten these down. You can tighten these down by hand if you want, but like I said, we're using the clutch on our drill here, so we're not going to over tighten or spin them through or break them off, strip them out or anything. Like that. And then you're going to take your shields here like before, and you're just going to tuck that rib right there into that slot right there, like so. And I'm just going to push that in all the way down like that. Another one. Second verse, same as the first. Put it right there, push that in, lock it in place. And no key. Grab that. And test our sunroof. Everything looks good. Opens and closes like it should. And we are all done. Again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.